What's up, guys? This is Thomas here. So recently I received a comment. Well, not recently, but I just saw it, and I said I'll fix it. From Danny Doodles. My computer will go on every website except OBS website. I don't know why. So I told him, or her. I think it's a her. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I told her that I will fix it in a video. And so I did my research and couldn't recreate the problem, but I found something that a lot of people have been using that helps them. So first thing you're gonna need to do is open System Preferences, and I'm gonna need to block a lot of this because it could lead to me being hacked. But you'll still see how to do it. Click Network. Make sure to set your network. Click Advanced. Click TCP/IP. This is for below MacOS Sierra users. Click here, and there should be a off button. If not, just make sure to check on any of these. Doesn't matter. This is for macOS Sierra. And then open Terminal. Paste in the following command. It'll be in the description. Hit Enter. Wait for it to do its thing. Close that. Click Advanced. Click TCP/IP. Configure IPv6 off. Click OK. Your problem should be fixed. If you enjoyed this video, please do leave a like, especially if it helped you. And if you have any other issues, please comment. I love doing these things because I learn from them, you learn from them, I can help you. Just let me know and I'll make a video. So hopefully this fixed your problem, and if it did, be sure to comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.